What the f is going on here?
That's exactly what 99% of all people think when they see this photo. And that reaction right there is why brands pay thousands of dollars for images like this one. And the craziest part, I made this completely for free in under 5 seconds. And in this video, I'm going to show you how it works, why it works, and how complete beginners with zero AI experience can sell these to local businesses and start making money even if they've never made money online before.
First, let me show you why this works. Brands don't pay for pretty photos. They pay for attention. Which one of these stops the scroll? Exactly. This style of content is already used by fashion brands, food brands, and agencies across the world. They only charge insane prices because people think that it's hard to make. The business model breaks down into 3 stupid, simple steps. And once you understand these simple steps, everything clicks. Step number 1, create a scroll-stopping visual. Not pretty, not perfect, not corporate. It just needs to make somebody stop and say, what the f is this? Step number 2, attach a product or brand. You're not selling art. You're selling attention plus branding. The logo is the anchor. Step number 3, offer it to a business. That's it. No ads, no followers, no posting every day, no going crazy with all your social media accounts. I'm not asking for beauty. I'm asking for contrast. Clean versus chaos. Brand versus rebellion. That tension is what makes this work. Those images took me 30 seconds each to make. These type of pictures are exactly what agencies are selling to local businesses for thousands of dollars. Now, here's the part that most people don't understand. You don't sell this online. You sell it offline. And the way to do it is stupid simple, but I'll show you that in a minute. First, you need to understand why businesses say yes. Local businesses are desperate for attention. They're competing with companies like Starbucks, McDonald's, and massive ad budgets. They don't need to be perfect. They just need to be different. When you show them something like this, you're not pitching. You're showing them what their brand could look like. And that's when they lean in. But here's the twist. You don't need permission. You don't need experience. You don't even need a portfolio. This isn't an AI business. It's a visual leverage business. Here's how beginners actually use this. They create 3 to 5 visuals for a niche. Bakeries, gyms, coffee shops, restaurants, clothing stores. They send 1 email or DM. They're not selling, they're just showing. And when one business says yes, everything changes. Okay, let me slow this down for a second because this is the part that everyone messes up. When I say make 3 to 5 images, I don't mean random AI images. I don't mean pretty, I don't mean artistic, and I definitely don't mean cinematic for sake of cinematic. A scroll-stopping image does one thing. It makes someone pause and think, why does this feel different? And that's it. People don't stop scrolling because something looks good. They stop scrolling because something violates expectations. Their brain is scanning patterns all day long. Logos, menus, gym mirrors, latte photos, outfits. Your job is to interrupt the pattern without confusing them. Here is exactly how to do that in 3 simple parts. Part 1. Every scroll-stopping image starts with the person, a face, an expression. Humans stop for humans. We're biologically wired to react to faces. Part 2. Then you add a twist, the moment it breaks reality. Part 3. This is where most people screw it up. They add too much. All you need is 1 emotion and 1 message. Business owners do not care about AI. They only care about one thing. Will this stop the scroll? But here's the part that nobody talks about. Making a scroll-stopping ad is only half the job. If all you give a business is attention, that attention fades fast. What businesses actually pay for is attention that lands on a real brand. And this is where most people lose money because they stop too early. That's where websites like Kittl come in. Not to just design, but to actually finish the job. Okay, let's say you made a crazy scroll-stopping ad for a local business, a gym, a restaurant. You already have attention. Now, instead of stopping there, you can turn that same visual into a real brand system. Think posters, social graphics, menus, certificates, brand guidelines. So now you're not just the person who made an ad, you're the person who made them look legit. check this out.
All right, let's create some show-stopping ads inside of Kittl. We're going to come to the website and come up to new project. Now we either have templates over to the left here, or we can click on this button and initiate the AI inside of Kittl. Let's do that now. Directly inside of Kittl are all of these programs that you can use. There's Nano Banana Pro, there's ChatGPT Image, there's Ideogram, there's Seedream. All of the best image generation models in the world are here on Kittl. So if we want to create a crazy, show-stopping, engaging picture, let's choose Nano Banana Pro. Make me a hyper-realistic, photorealistic picture of a woman in a slim black dress eating a messy cheeseburger, dripping with lettuce, tomato, onions, ketchup, mustard, all down her dress and her face. Make it super engaging, 8K resolution. Okay, I like these pictures, but I want a white background and I want her facing the camera. So we're gonna say something like this. Make her an Italian model in her mid-20s, put her on a white background, have her looking directly into the camera with a sexy look, close-up, zoomed shot. That right there is going to attract attention. Absolutely perfect. So once we have our pictures, we can do a bunch of different things with them. We can pick ads or templates from the left. We have social media, we have merchandise, we have stationery. Anything that has to do with the business, it exists inside of Kittl. And we can take our pictures and we can remix them. We can add them to any templates. We can pretty much do any type of editing inside of Kittl that we want to make these hyper-realistic, engaging, and exciting scroll-stopping ads. Okay, let's say that I like this picture here, and we want to remix it. We want to add or remove something from the picture. I'm going to make it larger, and then I'm going to click on Remix. And then we're going to add, let's say, put heavier eyeshadow on her, make the cheeseburger more messier with more ketchup and mustard dripping down. Make it super sloppy. Yes, it did exactly what we wanted, guys. Check this out. It added the heavy eyeshadow, make her look mysterious. Oh, look at that cheeseburger. Oh my God, oof. Yes. The fact that I'm kind of cringing a little means that this is gonna work. This is gonna stop the scroll. Perfect. Again, guys, once you're satisfied with this, let's go ahead and put it inside of a social media post. So here's what we're gonna do. We go up to this tab right here, and we're gonna choose social media. All right, perfect. We've added this template. Now let's take the picture that we created. We're gonna go ahead and remove the background, and let's have some fun with it.
You can either edit the ad manually, which is what I'm doing right now, or you can edit it through Nano Banana. Any prompt that you give Nano Banana inside of Kittl, it'll absolutely do it for you. You can add text, you can add effects, you can add visuals, anything that you want. The AI will automatically do it for you. So you have multiple options inside of Kittl. I know that there's new AI tools and news coming out every day. There's ChatGPT, there's Claude, there's Grok, there's Nano Banana, there's Google VEO 3, there's prompting. What prompt should I use? How do I make budget? We get it. Oh my God, we get it, AI world. You're moving super fast, and that's okay. And that's why I created AI Income Weekly. It's a completely free newsletter that takes the latest AI trends, the most important AI news in the world, and it breaks it down in a step-by-step fashion that's easy to understand. And in the newsletter, I show you how to make money with AI for beginners. There's no complicated words, there's no tech talk. It's broken down simply for normal people like you to understand and to take action today. Whenever you join the newsletter, you're also entered for a chance to win my entire AI ecosystem, which includes 5 AI courses and my #1 best-selling Faceless YouTube course. So scan the QR code or click on the link in the description below to join now completely for free.
Also, if you want to use Kittl, be sure to check it out in the description. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Have a good one and be safe.